What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a wireless lavalier microphone kit. Now these were sent out to me by the company XIAOLO. Big shout out to them for sending these over. Now you can pick these up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $38.99. They also offer a 20% discount coupon that you can apply as well. So some of the features and details of this, these are plug and play. So you don't have to do any pairing. Just simply plug in the receiver to your phone and connect your microphone to your lapel and you're ready to go. These also features 360-degree radio. So these are omnidirectional microphones. These have 3 levels of noise reduction. You can use these up to 65 feet. That's the operating range on them. And they're going to charge within 1.5 hours to completely charge it. You can get about 10 hours of podcasts on it. And you can get 60 hours total with the case. So this is going to be good for something like vlogs, YouTube, interviews, and things like that. So those are a few of the features and details. We'll look into it a little bit more as we get into it. Here's the packaging. You guys see it's going to come in a nice little box here. Got the name, wireless microphone there. Now, I got the one, they sent out the one for me for Android, but you can also use this with iPhone as well, as you guys see. And on the back, some of the same specs, plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear, timbre, highly sensitive, and widely compatible. So let's go ahead and get in the box, check this out, see what's in here. And these little microphone kits come in very handy. I'm actually using one like this right now by a different company, but I always use these when I'm using my phone to record. So you're going to get your instructions manual here. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this, which it should be pretty simple, plug and play. So we don't really need that. We're going to get our kit here. Comes in a nice carrying case. We'll look at that in a second. And then we're going to have our charging cable here. If I can get this out. This is going to be type C to type A. All right, and then we're going to get a little carrying case in here as well. C to type A, and then you get a little carrying case here as well to put everything in with some drawstrings. Very nice. So let's get this stuff out of the way. All right, so here's the case. On the bottom of it, you're going to see it look like an indicator, LED indicator, and you're charging. Type C charging case. This is all plastic. Got their name on there. And then when you open it up, you're going to see your receiver. This is the receiver. This is Type C. Like I said, you can get this in for iPhone as well. You got a USB-C plug here. Now, for what I understand, if you're using your phone to record and your battery's getting low, then you can charge your phone through this. So it's like a pass-through. This doesn't have a battery in it. And then you got your 2 microphones here. And then here's the inside of the case right here. It does have some markings in here. You got TX, and can't really tell what that says right there. But here's one of the mics. You see, you can charge this individually. Got some tape here. Let's go ahead and get this tape off. There's your contact pins for charging. You got a power button here. And then you got your little clip right there. And that's pretty much it. There's your mic right there. Look like a little LED indicator right there as well. Let's go ahead and get the tape off of this one. So you can do an interview, 2 people. And yeah, man. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up and check it out. All right, guys, before we hook this up, I want to show you a little neat little thing they have going here. So since we have the charging pins exposed, when you drop them in the case, you guys see there's a battery percentage there. So it's going to let you know just how much to charge. You're also going to see your LEDs there as well. Close it up. You got your battery percentage there. So that's very nice touch right there. Let you know just how much you have left in the case. And so let's go ahead. Drop that over there. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to use my Google Pixel Fold And we're going to drop the receiver in here, just like that. And you guys see there's a red flashing light right there on the receiver. And I'm going to go ahead and press the power button on the mic. And there's a green light there and a red light. So they are paired. This light just going to stay red. It's not going to change to green. And it's paired just like that. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. So I'm going to set up my Google Pixel on a stand, and then we're going to record and see how it sounds. All right, guys, so this is the Google Pixel Fold onboard microphones. I wanted to let you guys see how these sound before I plug in the XIAOLO wireless microphone kit, just to give you an idea to see if it improves on the sound quality. So this is the onboard mics on the Google Pixel Fold. Let's go ahead and plug in the wireless microphone kit. All right, guys, so now I'm using the XIAOLO wireless microphone kit. Have it in my hand here, maybe a couple inches away from my mouth, and this is what it's going to sound like. Now, remember, when you plug in the receiver to the phone, you have to go in and manually change it over to where it's going to use your wireless microphone. Otherwise, it'll just use your onboard mics on your device. So this is what it sounds like. I'm going to move it back a little bit. Yeah, see, it's about a foot away from my face now, and this is what it sounds like. Now I'm going to go ahead and clip it to my lapel here, and this is how most people are going to wear it, and this is what it's going to sound like if you're using this for whatever you're using it for. So here's the other one. Let's go ahead and turn this one on. We're going to go ahead and press the power button, and there it is. As you guys see, it paired instantly, and let's go ahead and speak into it. So now, as you guys see, both mics are working. That one's working and this one's working. So if you got two people, you're doing an interview, that person could be wearing this one, you wear this one, and we'll see how they sound. But let's go outside where it's a little bit louder, a little bit more, know what's going on, and see how they work outside, and see if I can walk a little distance from them and see if they'll keep their stay connected as well. So let's go. Okay, guys, so we're outside with the mics, and we're going to see how they sound out here with the birds singing, wind blowing, and different environmental sounds. I have it on my lapel here. I do have the other one. I'm going to turn that one on as I walk away. Get farther away, we'll turn it on, see how it sounds. So I'm going to walk away, see if it'll still pick up my voice. So right now I'm about 10 feet away. This is about 20. And this may be about 30 or 40 feet to the street right here. Go to the middle of the street, and hopefully it's still being picked up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the other mic. And hopefully you can pick this one up as well. So if you got a couple of people walking and talking and want to record themselves, then hopefully this will work. I'm going to come back to the camera. See how this sounds. Hopefully it stays connected, and hopefully it sounds great. So we're gonna go in and finish the video. Catch you guys on the inside. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the XIAOLO wireless microphone kit. Comes with everything that you need. You got your two mics, your receiver, your charging cable, and your charging case as well. You're gonna get long use out of it. And you also have a nice carrying bag as well. Now the sound quality, audio quality was pretty good to me. I think it's an improvement over something, most smartphones that you have out there. And the good thing about it, you can get this for Android or Apple. So reasonable price as well. And I'll definitely leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, I'm out.